Success International Language Services.
Hi teachers, once again this is Michael. Today we're presenting a video which we hope will help you better and more easily explain the difference between past simple and present perfect to your students. Remembering that in many of our students' languages the concept of present perfect does not exist, and it's easy for them to confuse this with past simple. So we hope this video will help you clarify these things for your students. Enjoy, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
What is present perfect? Present perfect is a verb tense which, although commonly used in day-to-day English, doesn't seem to exist in very many other languages, if any. It consists of the verb have in some form. This is the auxiliary verb, and the main verb, which is in participle form: done, been, seen, eaten, etc. Example: it's happened twice already. Example: again, it's happened twice already. Be careful. The form of have used in this case is actually has. He has been equals he's been. Its contracted form is apostrophe s, exactly like the verb is, the contracted form of which is also apostrophe s. He is going equals he's going. So, how do you know if the contracted form apostrophe s represents is or has? Simple. Notice that has is used as the auxiliary verb with a participle, been, not like is, which is used as the auxiliary verb with a gerund, verb plus ing, going. Use of past simple. Finished time equals a period of time which is clearly the past. Examples: yesterday, last week, last year, the other day, a while ago, etc. Example: it happened quite a lot last year, last month, in the old days. Note, by using words like last year, last month, in the old days, we make it quite clear that the period of time we are discussing is finished, therefore past. Comparing present perfect and past simple. Past simple: it happened quite a lot last year, last month, in the old days. These times are obviously in the past. Present perfect: it's happened twice already, this month, today. These times are not in the past. They are considered to be present time because they have not finished by the moment of speaking. Notice how in both cases the activity happen is already finished. This does not affect which verb tense is used. Rather, we consider the time period. This is what makes something past or present perfect, not the action itself. Comparing present perfect and past simple. Be careful, since ignoring this idea of time is the most common reason that students often confuse present perfect and past simple. Don't focus on the action. Focus on the time, and if it's clearly finished time or not.
Teachers, we hope that this video helped you get a clearer insight in how to succinctly explain the nebulous concept of past simple versus present perfect to your students. Please check us out. You'll find lots of other cool stuff. Talk to you then. Bye.